welcome back to my channel Nokshikatha by Tanya. Today I am showing you some beautiful Nokshikatha hand stitch sarees. The first saree is a pure Gachi Tasar. Check the combination. It's a combination of orange and rani. It's a beautiful and very unique combination. The material is pure Gachi Tasar and we have done the rose design. See the combination, how pretty the combination is. It's a corner to corner design. All over your saree you will get this design. And also please check the color of the tasar. It's a pure Gachi tasar. It's a very nice color of the tasar itself. See, the price is 8800. Price is 8800. The full look of your saree will be like this. And I am showing you the blouse. It is a very pretty blouse. See, this is the blouse. Saree number 2. This is also a pure Gachi Tasar saree. Wow. It's an intricate embroidery done on pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8800. See the color combination. It's a multi-color and very intricate floral design, very small motifs. Price is 8800. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. All saree will get silk mark authentication, silk mark certified. I will show you in folds also. In the 2.5 meter of your saree, you will get this all over design till pleat starts. In the pleats, you will get this 18-inch border all over your saree. This is the pleat portion. Okay, I am showing you the blouse. This is also all over sleeve blouse. Material pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8800. Now another very popular and very nice design of Nokshikatha. It's a Ma Durga design. And also check the color combination. We have used maroon and red. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8200. Wow. It's a very classic combination of tasar and white. No other combination can beat this combination. It's a very nice combination. Wow. See the overall look of the saree. Price is 8200. See the work. We have used paisley design in all over the saree, and the middle of your aanchal we decorate with Ma Durga face. And also check the blouse. It is a nice border design. Price is 8200. Wow. Another Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. This is the aanchal design. See, price is 8800, and all over your saree we have done block and then we have done all over Katha stitch. In the border portion we have done Guri Katha, and this is the blouse. It's a all over jacket style blouse. I am explaining the design. It has an aquatic design. You will get a underwater theme in this design. There is a fish, there are bubbles coming out from the water, and also some underwater. Okay. Price is 8800. Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. Check this combination. This is also very pretty and very beautiful combination. All over the sari you will get this design. All over your sari. It's a Vishnupuri Katan and a Ghicha Tasar woven stripe. It's not painted, not dyed. It's purely hand weaved with this Vishnupuri and the Ghicha stripe. And all over your Aanchal you will get this all over floral design. It's a very beautiful color combination. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold. Okay, and all over your sari this stripe will go all over the sari. And this is the blouse design. Price is 7500. Another very modern and contemporary design with the theme of Rajput Gharana. Check the color. It's a dark magenta color. Very nice, very elegant party wear color. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 8800. Very unique designs. All designs are very unique. Price is 8800. All over the sari will get this design. Okay, and this is the blouse. I am showing you in folds. This is the second fold. Okay, price is 8800. Now I am showing you one pure Gachi Jari Tasar with Kantha mix and match. See, wow. This is the Aanchal design. In the Aanchal design, we kept it in a geometric design. And in all over your body, there is a multicolor, very abstract fern leaf design. And we have done all over Kantha. In the Jari color is a copper color. The blouse of this sari is very unique. I will show you. It's a very unique style blouse. So this is the full look of the sari, and I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Check the blouse. Wow. It's a all over Kantha, all over Guri Kantha. The price of this sari is 9200. The price of the sari is 9200. Now it's a showstopper, I must say. Check this design. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. This is a beautiful Aanchal. This has been done by Kantha and block and hand painting and brush painting. Close up it. Check the close up of the Aanchal first. Check the lip design. All are done by Kantha. It's very intricate. And now I am showing you the body. Wow. It's a very, very gorgeous sari. 9800 is the price. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Isn't it beautiful? All are done by Kantha. All these fern leaves and in the upper yoke, the Katha flower, all has been done by Kantha. Close up it. See the design. Wow. Pure Gachi Tasar, completely black. It's not grey. It's not charcoal black. It's complete black. Very pretty sari. See, this is the full look. Price is 9800. I am showing you the blouse. Wow, how pretty the blouse is. Blouse is a rust orange. Okay. Now very traditional lotus design, but the color is very unique. It's a very nice color pink. Price is 7500. It's a corner to corner pattern. All over your sari go like this all over the sari. It's perfect for any wedding or any party. It will look elegant and as well as pretty. Yes, check the close-up of the sari, how intricate the work is. All sari will get silk mark certified. Price is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. This is the blouse. Okay, so I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold, second fold, and all over the sari will go like in a ascending order. Now another very exclusive design, completely new launch design on pure Gachi Jari Tasar. Yes, it's a very unique piece. It's a Jari Tasar. Wow. It's a treat to my eyes. Please check the close-up. Very pretty design, very pretty design. Oh, check the leaf design and the outlining and the detailing. Wow. And we kept the pallu simple. Nothing. We kept the pallu very simple. Only all over the sari will go like this. I am showing you the all over work. The color of the Jari Tasar is a Tasar color, but it's not the natural color. We have dyed the color, so it become little deeper from the original color of the Tasar. All over the sari will be like this. Okay. Price is, I'm so sorry. Price is 9200. Price is 9200. Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a very pure basic green color. It's like a panna green. But check the combination. Unique one. Unique combination. It's an achol design. Price is 7800. 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a Meenakari Katha. It's a Meenakari Katha. It's a Meenakari Katha. We have used red and white thread to decorate the sari and to keep it simple but gorgeous. See, in the both side of your sari will get this big temple. In the upper yoke, you will get this temple, and all over your sari you will get this temple all over the sari. This is the achal. I will show you in a fold. First fold, second fold, and this is the blouse. Wow, check the color. How pretty the color is. This is the whole look. Okay, price is 7800. Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan. Now very interesting design. Very common design, but you will hardly find in any Katha saris this design. So we thought about it and we make this design. It's a card design. There is a king, there is a queen. Yes, everything is done by Katha only. There is nothing painted, nothing block printed, nothing. Only Katha stitch. And check the color combination also. Very sober, very interesting color. Okay, this is the actual design. And all over the sari will go like this. All over your sari. It's like an original cards. Price is 8800. And this is the blouse. Okay. Now very popular and very interesting fabric we have developed with with our weavers. It's a handloom, pure Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. Check. In the half of your sari, you will get this design. Half of your sari, it's like 2.5 meter. Multicolor weave with the two different design. One is geometric, another is floral. So we have combined and mix and match the design. Sorry. Material is Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. Price is 8800. And in the pleat portion, this is the pleat portion. It's a very unique 3D texture with multicolor thread. There is no katha we have done. There is only weaved, hand weaved, and there is a very nice texture, 3D texture. And this is the blouse. See, let me drape for you so that you will get an idea how the sari will look. It's a very smart one and very unique one. This will come in the pleats, complete pleats, and half of your sari you will get this design. See. Price is 8800. Now another very nice color, turquoise blue. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500. See the color, how pretty and elegant the color is. It's a teal blue or turquoise blue. Both sides you will get this design. It's a Meenakari katha, very rare and very tough. I can say very tough. 7500. All over your sari you will get this temple in the bones of sari. Let me show you in a fold. First fold, second fold, okay, and all over the sari will go like this. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse, okay. Price is 7500. Now another very pretty and very unique color, Vishnupuri Katan silk. Check the color, wow. In half of your sari, I mean 2.5 meter of your sari, you will get this design completely all over. It's a carpet katha. And check the color combination, very gorgeous color combination. 2.5 meter will go like this. And in the pleat you will get a border. This will come in the pleat. And check the color, it's a short color, it's a double tone color, very interesting and very unique color. You will hardly found in anywhere this color in katha. See, 7800 is the price. Pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. Now another very traditional design with bird motif. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500. It's a corner to corner design. Very intricate design, very long time taking design. 7500. Corner to corner design all over your sari will go like this. The color is a midnight blue, not navy blue, it's a midnight blue. Very gorgeous sari color. And check the thread color, it's a ivory and off-white thread color combination. The design is very nice. It's a bird motif. Price is 7500. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Okay. Okay, another very nice and very popular design Nakshi Kantha. This is a brand design. It become a brand design of Nakshi Kantha.
Price
Price is 7,000.
7,000.
Price is 7,000. Very smart and very corporate design. There is not very busy, but very smart and very elegant. And check the color also. It's a midnight blue. Pure Bangalore silk. All over the sari will go like this. All over the sari. Okay. I am showing you another color combination today. Showing you the blouse. It is a very interesting and smart blouse. In the sleeve you will get the two standing paisley, and this will come in the back. I am showing you another design. See, this is a very pretty design. See, this color is a, very nice color. Price is as usual same, 7,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. All over the sari will go like this. Yes, check the close up. Very neat and clean. Hand stitch katha embroidery. All sari will get silk mark approved. If you want to book any sari from today's video, you have to take the screenshot of the sari and you have to send to our WhatsApp booking number, so that we will send you all other details to purchase any sari. And you can also follow us on our Facebook live shows. Okay, so Divas, please do subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.